Hey everyone, welcome to my travel-inspired lookbook for Turkey, which I'm going to visit in a few days. So this is going to be my travel outfit. It's just a simple denim jacket, which I thrifted from downtown Athens. This black romper, which is super comfy and plain. My favorite wicker bag and some accessories. Outfit 2 is also simple, comfy, but gives that kind of hippie vibe, which I like. Just a pair of denim shorts, my favorite wicker bag, which my parents got me from Portugal. This top, which I thrifted from Australia a few years ago, and I absolutely love. It's so breezy and cute. This pair of footwear, I don't know if it's sneakers or what exactly, but they're comfy. And my favorite glasses. Now, outfit 3 is very similar to outfit 1. The top is thrifted from downtown Athens as well. I think originally it was from H&M or something like that. But I got it for €3 from a thrift shop. So yeah, and it's very Middle Eastern vibes. I love it. And the material is very breezy. Then again, my favorite bag, just showing it off. My thrifted Birkenstock, which I got for $1 in the US. And my denim shorts, as well as this shawl, which I love because you can put it around your hair, around your face, protect it from like dust and sand and the sun. And it's also a really, really cute accessory. So this outfit is one of my favorite. I think it's completely thrifted besides the bag. The skirt is thrifted from downtown. The top is thrifted from downtown. I think the skirt was like €7. The top was €2. And I really love the top. It's like a milkmaid cute thingy going on. Altogether, I think it looks really Middle Eastern. Maybe it's just the color. My bag, which is attached on my bag, and I dropped my shawl. That's fine. And this outfit, this dress was also thrifted. A lot of people say it's like very grandma looking. I think it's more Sophia Loren. Maybe it's just my opinion, but I love it. It's very, very comfy. I love the buttons. I love the way it fits, and it's airy and cute. And again, this shawl. And whoop. There we go. These shoes were my mom's. They're very vintage. She had them. She got them from Sweden when she was like in her 20s. This dress, I don't know where it's from. I got it as a present, but I really love the cheetah print pattern. My bag. Actually, that's not a cheetah print. That's a leopard print. But anyway. And again, my gold hoops. There I am, feeling this. Ooh, yeah. And finally, my last look. It's a thrifted pair of cargo / safari pants for €1 from downtown. My hiking boots, which I absolutely love. Just a simple white top, which you can get anywhere. I can't remember if I thrifted this one or not. My white shawl and my favorite backpack. I bought this from downtown Athens like almost 8 years ago, and it's been everywhere with me. Taking it to Australia, South Africa, Kenya, Jordan, everywhere. It's so convenient and it's so cute. Very hippie. Has lots of pockets and stuff. And yeah, I just love it. And to be honest, most of my travel is more hiking, nature, adventure, activities and stuff. So I'll be wearing this kind of outfit like 80% of the time. Plus, I think the whole safari look is super cute. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this lookbook. Let me know if you want more, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!